Oh, hey. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here, right? Well, I'm breaking down muscle tissue. I know you were expecting I'm gonna say I'm working out, right? But did you know that when you work out, you're actually breaking down muscle tissue? No? Well, that's why I'm here. I want to briefly explain today how you fix that, okay? Now, I want to talk about amino acids today. How important amino acids are for the human body. I mean, look in the mirror. I mean, look, from head to toe, pretty much everything in your body, okay, is made of amino acids. Now, you think amino acids are important? I think so. Okay. Well, then let me explain. Amino acids. A lot of people don't even know that amino acids are the building blocks of protein. So in other words, some people actually think that protein and amino acids are a whole different thing. And yeah, trust me, you're gonna laugh, but there are some people, they think that, and that's why I'm shooting this video to, bring some light in that confusion. Amino acids. So amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, like we just said. And when you eat protein, the body breaks it down with the help of acid and enzymes to the smallest particle called amino acids. Okay, and that happens mainly in the liver, and then the body starts to resemble these in many different structures, such as making genes, making blood, tissue, muscles, skin, hair, neurotransmitter, hormones. I mean, come on, hormones? That's what we all need, right? I mean, I'm not sure if you're married, but you want to keep your wife happy, or vice versa. And organs, and there's many more. I was just listing a few. Now, just to give an idea how important amino acids are. So the body, okay, has 50,000 structures where it uses amino acids, okay? I mean, think about it, 50,000. I just named a few here. Obviously, I don't have enough space, but that's a lot. I mean, think about it, 50,000 things. So do you think that amino acids are important? I think so. Okay, now there's two categories, okay? There's essential and non-essential. And essential amino acids, there is 9. And what it means is, they're not essential. The essential amino acids are essential, but you have to get it through an outside source, such as from a protein source, or any kind of food. And we have 11 non-essential amino acids, which means, has a little misconception because it doesn't mean they're not essential. They're essential to the body. It just means the body can, synthesize it, from other protein sources and also in the liver. So they're not essential or part of a diet, but they're still essential. And then I want to talk about the misconception about protein powder and amino acid powder. Now, what is the difference? Okay, let me explain. Okay, now follow me. Okay, right here, you see a protein powder, okay? Now let me explain. I'm gonna read the label to you right now. I know I don't have one here right now, but just go with me. We have calories, protein, obviously, carbs with sugar for the most part, and fat, okay? So we got the whole package here. And then we go over here, we have a small container of amino acids, and there's nothing in there except amino acids, okay? Nothing else, no calories, no protein, no sugar, no carbs, it's just amino acids. It's the building block of protein. The body can use that right away, for all that stuff, for energy, muscles, tissue repair, you name it. I mean, we just talked about this before. Now, I even have a sample for you so you can see how an amino acid powder looks like. And Biocorp gave us a sample here, and they have amazing amino acids. I mean, the amount of amino acids that's in just one spoon, okay, would be almost equivalent to eating a whole chunk of, meat and vegetables and beans and all that stuff, okay? Now, to consume all the calories just to get to the amino acids, it just doesn't make sense, right? Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with eating food. Trust me, okay? Food always has priority. There's nothing better than real food, but let's face it, okay? as athletes, okay, or anybody that breaks down muscle tissue in the gym, and anybody that trains a lot, runs, bikes, whatever, we need more amino acids, okay, because we're breaking down muscle tissue, and then the body needs amino acids to repair, okay, so we can grow faster, and so we can repair muscle tissue faster. And that's why amino acids are so important. Now, I don't know about you, but especially when you're on a diet and you want to lose weight, or you don't want to consume all that crap, like the protein with the sugar that raises your insulin, A or B? I don't know about you, but I would go for B. I mean, always go for B. Okay, it's important. Amino acids. Now, it's very simple, and that was just a brief explanation on what the difference is. Like I said, it's your choice. You can consume all that food and all that powder with the sugar, and then you go in the gym and you bloated, and you fart and you don't can move, or you get all the amino acids in one box, in one spoon, gives you more energy. The body can use it right away, goes in and out, and it dilates, especially L-arginine. It dilates your blood vessels, so it delivers more oxygen to your muscles. So you get a better pump, you recover quicker, you're stronger, your stamina goes up. It's amazing. And yeah, and that's it. I just want to keep it brief. I don't want to talk too much about it, but I hope that helped you a little bit to understand the importance of amino acids, because amino acids are really, really important, okay? Especially if you do sports, whether you run or you play tennis. And trust me, I worked with professional athletes before, and pretty much all of them are taking amino acids in addition, because they want to be ready. You can't wait and wait a few days till you recover and everything hurts. No, there's no time. You need to be on it, and that's it. And that's basically the difference. So if you like, subscribe to my channel right below, or go to biocorpllc.com, and you can read more about this product. And it shows you everything that's in there. And what's also important here is when you look at the supplement, okay, and it says other ingredients, that's basically where they list all that stuff you can't even pronounce, especially me, it's my second language, then stay away from it. This one says none, okay? There's nothing in there than amino acids. Like I said, no sugar, no nothing, and that's the way to go if you want to really get the most out of your body, okay? Thank you.